you have to come clean. What if Aiden finds out he's crazy? She said, no, don't let my husband find out. He'll kill you, and then he'll kill Kevin for even knowing you.
My dad would fucking kill you if you fucked my mom. Like, he would literally fucking kill you. Shit, why don't you give Josh the flying elbow, you fucking pussy? I don't believe it. I don't believe it, you fucking pussy cunt. I'm filming the whole fucking thing. Do it, Jay, you fucking twat.
You know what? Fuck this.
You did not even come close.
Are you kidding me? Was that a real attempt? Was that real? Dude, how drunk are you?
Did you record that?
Yeah, buddy! God, what just
Jesus Christ! Holy shit, that was like the dumbest two attempts I've ever fucking seen in my life. No, the second one was even funnier when he tried to jump and the fucking seat fell out underneath him. And he just fucking bit it right in his face.
Oh, man.
Holy fucking
much.
shit. Are you gonna go at it again or can I turn this off?
It's too